Competitor Analyzer AI is a brand new tool that's taking the digital marketing world by storm. If you're looking to up your game and get an edge over your competitors, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how this AI software can completely change your marketing strategy. First things first, Competitor Analyzer AI is designed to give you deep insights into your competitors' digital strategies. Whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other online business, it helps you quickly pinpoint what's working for your competitors and where you can improve. The software provides a comprehensive breakdown of competitor performance across multiple channels, from SEO to paid ads. This is invaluable because it saves you countless hours of manual research. Instead of guessing what's working for your competition, the AI pulls real-time data to give you actionable insights that can lead to smarter decisions. One feature that really stands out is its ability to analyze competitor keyword strategies. It breaks down what keywords they're ranking for and how their ads are performing. This means you can target the same keywords they're using or find untapped opportunities that they might have missed. With the Competitor Analyzer, you're not just following trends, you're ahead of them. Next, the AI goes beyond just keyword analysis. It digs into competitor content and identifies which pieces are driving the most engagement. So you can quickly understand what type of content resonates with your target audience. This is a goldmine for anyone trying to create content that sticks and converts. Another powerful feature is the competitor backlink analysis. It shows you where your competitors are getting their backlinks and helps you build a more robust link building strategy. The AI identifies high-quality domains that can potentially give your site a significant boost in rankings. Competitor Analyzer AI also offers competitive tracking. This allows you to monitor your competitors over time and see how their strategies evolve. You can track their digital footprint and adjust your own campaigns accordingly to stay one step ahead. If you're concerned about using AI in your business, this tool is beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is intuitive, and the AI does the heavy lifting for you, delivering results in a way that's easy to digest and act upon. Now here's why you should care about Competitor Analyzer AI. It's the perfect combination of actionable data and ease of use. As digital marketers, we know that data is everything, but it's not just about having data. It's about understanding it and using it effectively. Competitor Analyzer does just that. Want to try it yourself? You can access the software for free by clicking the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can say with confidence that this one deserves a spot in your digital marketing toolkit. Lastly, if you're serious about gaining a competitive advantage in your marketing efforts, make sure you check out the other recommended AI software in the description. I've tested hundreds of them, and these are the ones I trust. Try them out for free and see how they can help take your business to the next level.